Okay, we move to question number 4. We have some problem with concatenating field. So first I have to take a look overall the function, and I can see that we don't use this library because we don't have to call our REST API where anywhere. So I remove it and remove it. And now we move to class A. Class A, we have a class declaration constructor right here. Okay, next step, we can see the concat name field, the static we don't use object, so that means we should use it by class name. And at the very beginning I can see the concat name fields, it doesn't show to me or let me know what it do, what is its purpose. So I have to change it. And while looking at the result, I can see that it's concatenated string. So I change it to concatenate string. Okay, next step. I see the rest parameters values. I can see that I think there's a problem, but I don't know what it is, and I test with this function. Okay, the array has been netted, so I don't think we need to rest right here. It's just the values join with this separator right here. Okay, next item map. I don't think I have never used it like it, so I always use like it item name. So that means the array has will be mapped, make a loop for each element in the array. However, we have a function. So in my by my experience, we should use try and catch. Okay, we should while using async function, we should use try catch because we want to handle errors and keeps our variables as constants. So in this function I do like that. think for this the run of result of a concatenate string here, and I don't think we use this. We need to use it. We can use like that. Okay. Next. While reading about class function, I can see constructor like this. When you use extend, so you should use super in constructor to access the class A property and method. For example, if we use super right here, it's the same with we copy all of them here. Okay, then we have static concatenate string here, and that's input, and that's question. Okay, just like I tell, I don't think we need to nest test input right here. We should move it outside our scope of function test question4, and try catch error. Okay. Okay, I have to console all of them and see the result. So now okay, I have to check. Okay, the problem is that the static methods do not actually get inherit down. So that means we cannot use static right here, and we have to do it. Remove it, and now we try to do it. Okay, that's good. Sure. Let me tell you how the flow do. At the very beginning, we declare class A like this, and we define class B extend A with super in the constructor. That means it have any method have a own method of class A, and then we have in the very beginning we have a concatenate string value to join this here, and we test. I don't think we need it because we don't use it anything anyway. So constant a result await a safe test input. That means when we have right here, we have the value here, and it will run from A to class A and run to arsenic set function. Next step is B result. Oh, this is a little tricky. That means when you call by in the B those safe test input, that means we have right here B is will run inside here, and we have a con run to save here, and the function will run try constant value and map each element the final value awaits this concatenation string. So that means it will run in the class B. So okay, I will tell you because it extends from class A. So it will run safe run here, and it will run this concatenation string with the value. Right here we can use rest parameters because it doesn't matter because in the original we have a concatenation string with a value, and when run inside here we can see the super. Okay, right here super will run it again the concatenation string in the class A. That's why the reason we have like this. Now we add JS compatible document all method in class A and B. So I will do it, and we add some JS compatible documentation like this. Okay. Test again.